Femi, a hard-working mechanic in Lagos, couldn't believe his eyes. A message from a beautiful girl named Amina popped up on his Facebook. She had seen his profile through a mutual friend and was drawn to his kind eyes and honest smile. Amina was different from the girls Femi knew. She was from a wealthy family in Abuja, a world away from his humble life in the mechanic workshop. Could someone like her truly be interested in him? Femi hesitated, his fingers hovering over the keyboard. He reread her messages, each one filled with warmth and genuine interest. He told himself it was just a silly crush. Amina was a dream, a beautiful melody in a life filled with the clang of tools and the smell of engine oil. But something in her words sparked a flicker of hope in his heart. Days turned into weeks, their conversations flowing effortlessly across the digital divide. Amina was different. She didn't care about his background or lack of wealth. She saw the man beneath the grease stains, the hard-working and kind soul longing for connection. She saw Femi. One day, Amina proposed a bold idea. "Send me a ticket," she typed. "I want to meet you." Femi's heart skipped a beat. Was she serious? Could he really bring himself to believe in such a fairy tale? Femi wrestled with doubt. Could he, a simple mechanic, offer anything to a girl like Amina? The thought of her stepping out of her gilded cage and into his world filled him with both excitement and fear. He knew people would talk. They would question her intentions, mock his aspirations. But Amina's voice, her unwavering belief in their connection, drowned out the whispers of doubt. Driven by a love he couldn't deny, Femi took a leap of faith. He borrowed money, his heart heavy with the weight of his decision, and sent Amina a ticket to Lagos. The moment he hit send, a wave of anxiety washed over him. What if this was a mistake? What if she never came? Days crawled by, each one an eternity. Femi worked tirelessly in his workshop, the rhythmic clang of metal a constant reminder of his pounding heart. He tried to focus on the repairs, but Amina's face, her warm smile, filled his thoughts. His friends, noticing his distraction, teased him relentlessly. "Your Abuja princess will arrive in a chauffeured car," they joked, their laughter echoing the doubts that gnawed at his soul. Then on a day that began like any other, Femi received a message that stopped his world. Amina had landed in Lagos. She was on her way. Amina's journey from Abuja to Lagos was more than just a flight across states. It was a leap of faith, a testament to the power of love to bridge any divide. She left behind the comfort of her privileged life, the whispers of disapproval from those who couldn't understand, to follow her heart. Amina yearned for a love that transcended societal expectations, a love that saw beyond appearances and embraced the essence of a person. She had heard the whispers in Abuja, the doubts about Femi's intentions. Some said he was only after her money, that a man like him could never truly love a woman like her. But Amina refused to believe them. In Femi's words, she saw a sincerity that resonated deep within her soul. She saw a man worthy of her love, a man who deserved a chance to prove that true love knows no bounds. As the bustling streets of Lagos came into view from the airplane window, Amina's heart swelled with anticipation. This wasn't just a visit. It was a pilgrimage to claim a love that defied convention. This was her chance to prove to the world, and to herself, that true love could blossom anywhere, even in the most unexpected places. With each passing mile, Amina's excitement grew. She thought about Femi, his kind eyes, his gentle spirit, and the life they could build together, a life where love, not societal expectations, would be their guide. Femi's workshop, tucked away in a maze of bustling streets, was a testament to his hard work and simple life. It was his sanctuary, filled with the tools of his trade and the scent of engine oil. It was a far cry from the opulent world Amina was accustomed to, but love has a way of seeing beauty in the most unexpected places. Amina, stepping out of the taxi and into Femi's world, felt a surge of warmth wash over her. The sight of him, his face etched with a mixture of apprehension and uncontainable joy, erased any lingering doubts. They ran towards each other, their embrace a symphony of unspoken emotions, a testament to the enduring power of love. Life wasn't easy in Femi's world. Their love story became the talk of the neighborhood, some praising their unconventional union, others quick to judge and mock. But Amina, unfazed by the scrutiny, embraced Femi's world with open arms. She found joy in the simplicity of their life, the warmth of their shared dreams. With Amina by his side, Femi blossomed. Her unwavering faith in him fueled his aspirations, her love a guiding light on their shared path. She encouraged him to expand his business, using her resources to help him purchase new equipment, transforming his humble workshop into a thriving enterprise. Their love story, once a source of gossip and skepticism, became a beacon of hope, a testament to the transformative power of love. They proved to the world that happiness could be found not in material possessions, but in the embrace of a love that dared to defy societal norms. Together, they planned their future, a future that stretched beyond the borders of Nigeria. They dreamed of a new life in Canada, a place where their love could flourish without judgment, a testament to the enduring power of a love that bloomed on Facebook and blossomed in the heart of Lagos.